Hello. 5 stock picks for 2026. So you know the market is about strategy, research, timing. So you always position yourself ahead of the others before every other person sees the opportunity. That is what research does. So in this video, we are going to enlighten you just like we normally do. Go back on our YouTube video, you watch it 2025 before the middle start of the year. We told you where the opportunities are. Middle of the year, other opportunity came up. We told you people that queued into it, the results paid off. We are here again as a research-based firm. So this is our Twitter handle. This is one of the easiest places to get us anytime, any day. This is one of the easiest places anytime, any day. Free educational content, just like you're even watching on YouTube. So we did a quick profile summary using Grok. This is what Grok. Grok said Apex Invest focuses on portfolio management, currency corporate trading with 3 to 5% monthly historical return, and in-depth research on local and global stocks, delivering market insights via X and YouTube. Are you getting it? They highlight risk management strategies such as equal capital allocation across peaks and share unique content like the rest. Then over 1,500 followers, and the interesting part is where it says the account promotes early positioning. Very important. With timing matters. Forget those who tell you time in the market is very, that one is one side of the discussion. But if you can buy great assets at a very costly price, and that's the problem. So you have to position early. So early positioning undervalued assets ahead of the market shifts, boosting combined return fund. So this is the return we made combined in 12 picks we picked 2025. So where is it? Then if you are here, you read our mission statement. So our mission statement, number 1 is to educate you for free, like we do. We have tons of free educational content so you keep improving yourself. The second one is for our research, which is paid, the premium research on stock, which is paid. Another one is to review your portfolio, because some of you, we are not doing blaming game here. Some of you entered the market through, maybe you saw on X or anywhere, you bought random picks and your portfolio is underperforming. So we help you review it and weeder out some of crazy stuff that are there. Then fourth one is the currency stock. We are one of, if not the only firm that combines across markets. You know that when you are investing in stock, you are investing in businesses. But if you want to play a country's economy, the best way to play it is to trade currency of that country. So this is why we created that corporate trading. We know it should be difficult for you to do because there is a different type of research, different kind of qualifications to do it, the modeling, the stuff like that, the macroeconomics and stuff like that. So we don't want to bore you. That's why we created a corporate trading fund for it. What you just need, you fund your brokerage account. This time around, your currency brokerage account, you fund it, you link it to our DEX. Our experts will trade on your behalf, just like a typical mutual fund. So that's why we created it. This one is for short term, that is why it is trading, short term cash flow, while the number 2 is for long term wealth building on the stock market. So we are the only firm, and you can trace the performance of that fund. If you use this link here, you can see copy of it. We netted over 40% in 6 months because we finally made it public, like clearly public. It has been, in the beginning it was public when we were testing it out, then suspended it, then finally it is public, in the public domain for the past 6 months, so over 40%. So historically the fund returns 3 to 5% monthly conservatively. So that is our play. Then look at the offer giving you that is on the table now. So in 2025, the total stock, you have a products we invest in, we analyze local stock, aka Nigerian stocks, and the global market. So in combination, in Nigeria, we have over 151 companies, while the global market, we have over 4,000 companies. So in analyzing it, because you have to be picky, do the modeling and stuff like that, we are able to pick out 12 good companies for our subscribers, those who subscribe to our research work. Then, out of that 12 companies, cumulatively, net, we closed at around 146% return. So if you fully use that research, not using part of it, which we are stopping this time around because we want you to be fully involved, at least minimum of 5 picks so that you have a balanced portfolio. Because one of the mistakes we made last year was we allow people to subscribe. Some of them subscribe to one company, and you know they will be piling on top of that and they will miss out on the potential win in the other. So now, to give you a balanced view, minimum of 5, so your portfolio will be well balanced and properly represented across board. So that is it. So now again, there is an opportunity ahead of 2026 to start off. We watch the market whenever opportunity comes to show you. So just like we say, throughout the year, if you can pick 12, and we are seeing 5 now, that means we are in already. So we are not that picky. Sometimes you see 10, sometimes 8. So that's why whenever we tell you there is an opportunity, you take advantage of it. You are not that friend that give you calls every time, because what we do is proper analysis, value investing. So it doesn't come every time. That's why you have to take advantage of it whenever you see it. It's not free. It's a paid research work. So this is it. So if you are interested in it, once you send a DM to this account. So if you are not following us, go on X and follow us. This is the handle, _invest. Then you send us a DM, or if you are watching on YouTube here, you use the link in the description straight to WhatsApp. You can get us on WhatsApp. You send them anywhere just across our WhatsApp and X. Then you lay your hands on the research material for each of the stock pick. You lay your hands, you see the potential upside, you see the complete profile of the stock, the potential upside, the entry range, because there is a time to enter. So that's why you shouldn't delay. Let's say if you delay so much, if you come, we can tell you that some of those opportunities have started moving, depending on what the market is doing. So there is time. Time is very important in the market. Don't just sit on your hands. Time is very, very important. When I mean time, like entry time, I don't mean this stage somebody is always good to buy in April. No, you buy across board whenever there is an opportunity, depending on the model you deploy. So that is the 5 tickers opportunity there. The cost is also there in our public. If you are not following us, you know that our listing is the model we used last year was $10 outside Nigeria. If you try to pay with Naira, 10,000 Naira per peak. And the team said they will increase it, but we are still leaving it at that. So to lay your hands on these 5 peaks is now, we no longer sell per peak again. It comes in batch so that our portfolio will properly represent it, because we have you in mind. So to lay your hands on these 5 peaks is, you do the math, which is $50 for the 5 peaks, both local and global stocks. Or if you have those paying with Naira, it's 50,000 Naira for these 5 peaks, and you position yourself. Then we show you how to allocate, just to follow free tip to you. This is when you follow us on X too. Whenever you are allocating, allocate equal across board. Allocate, you can't underestimate this. People made a lot of mistakes. You allocate equal amount across each of the peaks. This is so that you can optimize your return. Then follow us and read up so many other stuffs here. So this is your go to our YouTube channel. So especially send your DM be fast about it, please. You cannot be buying a good company at a costly price. So that's why whenever you tell you there is a research already, take advantage of it, because there is time. There is a waiting time. So the waiting time is over. This now is execution time. So hoping to see you. So let's make money together. Come 2026. Cheers and compliments.